This story that I'm about to tell you still haunts me to this very day. It all started when I got a microwave from a guy in 2013, roughly 17,520 hours ago. When I first got the microwave, everything seemed swell. It cooked very good food. Let me tell you, that roast beef, until some mysterious force possessed it. I know what you're thinking. Ghosts aren't real. But I'll tell you something.
What are you yelling, George?
I'm typing here.
You should stay at your accountant job.
I'm living the dream. Anyways, I still have this microwave, and I don't know what to do with it. At first, I put it on the dining room table. The next day, when I came downstairs, it was sitting on the kitchen counter, plugged in. But it doesn't end there. When I put it back on the dining room table, and I woke up the next day, I saw it sitting on the couch, watching TV. After that, I made the fatal mistake of plugging it into the wall. It was fine for about a year, until only 5 months ago. It started again. This time, I woke up, and it was sitting on my bed. After that, it didn't move from its place on the counter, but I would wake up and hear the microwave turning on. I don't know what to do. I'm too afraid to throw it away. I don't even want to go near it. Well, that's all I wanted to say for now. I just wanted to write it down before I die. Well, I'm gonna go get a midnight snack. Bye!
What are you looking at?